Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to show you how to make a calculator using ChatGPT and using code and using Elementor for web design. And let me just mention this, I am in no mean an expert on coding. I am not an expert on web design. However, I'm a huge believer that you do not need full knowledge of something in order for you to make something great. You just need basic knowledge on things in order for you to make something great, because in today's technology it makes it a lot easier for you to develop your own knowledge and make it better by using the proper tools. In this occasion I'm going to use ChatGPT, which is AI generator, or it helps you generate a code for other stuff. So let's go to ChatGPT. By the way, I have a video on how you can create an account. It's 100% free. You can create an account and it will help you with many stuff. So now let's give AI an order or a command. Tell them to generate a code for a basic calculator. So let's type in generate a HTML code for a basic calculator, and it's gonna create one, and it's doing it in like super fast. Again, this is 100% free, and you do not need to know coding for you to do stuff today. All you need is basic knowledge on how to use web design, how to use Elementor or any web builder. I use Elementor and Avada Builder for my websites. And again, I'm not an expert on web design or coding. However, I will always use any means necessary for me to do stuff, or any tools that I am offered or that I am aware of. So you should do the same. Do not listen to people that want to put you down and tell you that you don't know anything or that you need to be an expert. No, you do not. I know a lot of people that are very smart and know coding, but they don't have a real job or make great money. I make money with this basic knowledge. So copy. We're gonna go to Elementor now, and we're gonna find the HTML, and we're gonna drag this to our builder, and now it is ready for the code. I already copied the code, so we're gonna do a right click and paste, and then you will see the calculator. It is not in order. Now what we need to do is tell ChatGPT to organize. So I'm telling it to organize and add a nice style. Now, the style is what gives the code a style. Of course, the word itself sets it. It's gonna give, like a frame. It's gonna put a button. It's gonna organize and make it look nice. So it is very responsive. You can, it'll be able to adapt to any device, either desktop or cell phone or tablet, whatever. So now copy, and now we're gonna get rid of this one, the whole code, and just paste the new one. And you see it now, it's more organized. You can even test it. 7 plus 7 equals 14. All right, now if you don't like the color orange, you can always add an extra frame or give the command, or you can do it by ChatGPT. Change the color if you don't like the orange, or if you don't like this black highlight on each button. And now we can give ChatGPT a command: make or add a frame to my with a shadow, and make the orange buttons green. I mean, this is just so I can show you what all this amazing machine, which is 100% free, can do for you. So let's say if you have a website that requires a lot of calculation, this will be very handy to you. I have seen a lot of videos of people using AI for a lot of silly stuff. Now, if you are a web designer or a coder, this will definitely be very handy to you. So, it is more handy for people that know how to use coding or web design or the basics like me. See that? Now it has a frame and it has a shadow. 8 plus 8 equals 16. So, it has a lot of stuff, but you gotta know the basics of coding and basics on web design in order for you to make this. So it's AI is not gonna do everything for you. You have to know something for you to do something. So you have to know the basics. I invite you guys to check out my channel. I have a lot of videos for beginners, for people that want to learn Elementor or how to build a website. I'm gonna be adding more videos soon. So this is it for this tutorial. I just wanted you guys to show you that potential of AI. You either join the technology or you are consumed by ignorance. A lot of people are talking bad about AI. They said it's a bad idea and they don't want to progress or adapt to technology. So you either adapt and use these tools at your disposal, you have them at your disposal, or you keep struggling on doing it, trying to do it yourself because you're stubborn or because you don't want to join the boat, the technology boat. Thank you guys. Hopefully you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. We almost make it to 500. Once I hit the 500, I'm gonna be selling online courses on how you can take advantage of technology and make money. Okay, so they're gonna be very advanced online courses where I will teach you how I make my money using artificial intelligence like ChatGPT or other things like digital downloads, which I also have videos on CorelDRAW, how to use the software, how to use your video editing like LumaFusion, Clipchamp, and other very amazing tools. Thank you again. We'll see you guys on the next episode.